And welcome to common yoga. We've had about the least calming day. It's the first snow day and it'll be the last of the year. But, oh my God. So sitting in a child pose. This is gonna have to be a fastest flow though, because there's a lot of pent up frustration. All right, coming up into a tabletop position. Inhale, looking up, and exhale, curling the spine. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, looking up, exhale, tucking the toes under, and gently coming into a downward facing dog, pedaling the legs out here. Maybe closing the eyes, taking a nice breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. On an inhale, taking the right leg up. Exhale, bend the knee, open the hip, and take some hip circles in one direction. And reverse the direction. Taking the right leg straight back behind you, inhaling here. Exhale the right foot between your hands, left knee comes down, uncurling the toes as you inhale into your low runner's lunge. And exhale, sinking into that left hip. And inhale, exhale. You're going to straighten that right leg and sit back towards your heel, stretching the right hamstring. Slowly coming back forward, tucking the left toe under, coming back to your downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg comes up, exhale, bend the knee, open the hip, make some hip circles in one direction. And then reverse the direction. And taking that left leg straight back behind you, inhaling here. Exhale, left foot between the hands, right knee comes down. Inhale up, and exhale, sinking into the right hip flexor. And inhaling here, exhale, gently straightening that left leg and sitting back towards your heel. And then bending the left knee, coming back towards your downward facing dog. On an inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, walk your feet to your hands. Inhale, looking up. And exhale, forward fold. Now building some heat here. Inhale, arms all the way up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, coming back to a plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga, or lowering all the way down. Inhale, baby cobra, upward dog. And exhale, back to a downward facing dog. Inhale here. On an exhale, bend the knees, gazing between your hands, walking or hopping feet to hands. Inhale as you look up, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale the arms up overhead, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, maybe hopping back to a chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, gazing between your hands, walking or hopping feet to hands. Inhale as you look up, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale those arms all the way up overhead, and exhale, sitting in your chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhaling here. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. The right leg comes up. And the right foot between the hands, left heel down, warrior one. Palms come down, back to a plank position. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg comes up. Left foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here, exhale, palms come down. The left leg comes back to meet the right. Inhale and plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose. And sighing out through your mouth. On an inhale, bend the knees, gaze in between your hands. Exhale, walking or hopping, feet to hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back into your chair pose. And exhale, standing up, hands to heart center. Inhale into your chair pose. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chaturanga. So we'll add on here. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, the right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here and exhale, open to a warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. And exhale, extend a side angle. Inhale, reversing the warrior. Exhale, cartwheeling the hands down. Right leg comes to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward to a plank. Exhale, option for a chin stand. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here. And exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, extended side angle pose. Inhale to reverse the warrior. Exhale, cartwheeling the hands down. Left leg comes up. Inhale, forward to a plank. Exhale, maybe a chin stand. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose. And sighing out through the mouth. On an inhale, bend your knees, gazing between your hands. Exhale, walking or hopping, feet to hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sitting back in your chair pose. And exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale into a chair. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between your hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, taking a twist over to the right. Inhaling here. Exhale, back into your high lunge. Inhale, exhale, open to your warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. Exhale, extend to side angle. Maybe coming into the bind this time, right arm underneath. Maybe grabbing the fingertips, gazing over your left shoulder. Inhaling here. Exhale, maybe trying to straighten the right leg, coming into a bound triangle, or opening your hands up into a triangle. Inhale here. Exhale, bending the right knee again. Looking down at the right foot, locking the left foot in to meet the right. Weight in the left leg as you slowly rise up. Maybe extending the right leg out to the side, coming into a bird of paradise. Inhaling here. And exhale, maybe bring the right leg down, putting the weight in the right leg, and maybe lifting the left leg. Slowly coming back into your extended side angle pose, opening up those arms, straightening the right leg, coming into your triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, folding over that right leg, coming into a pyramid pose, relaxing the neck. Bend the right knee, come back to a plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, hands to heart center, twisting over to your left. Inhaling here. And exhale, coming back to your high lunge. Inhale and exhale, opening to your warrior two. Inhale to reverse the warrior. And exhale, coming into extended side angle pose. This time, maybe coming into the bind, gazing over the right shoulder. Inhaling and exhaling. Maybe trying to straighten that left leg or opening your arms up, coming into a bound triangle. Inhaling here. Exhale, bending the left knee again. Right foot comes in to meet the left. Slowly balancing on the right leg, maybe lifting up the left leg, maybe extending it or trying to out to the side, gazing over your right shoulder. Then slowly the left leg comes down, balancing your weight on the left leg as you slowly bring the right leg up. Falling out of it is part of the practice. And then slowly back to your extended side angle, opening up those arms and straightening that left leg into your triangle. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Then folding over that left leg, you can bring that right foot in a little bit. Really releasing the neck, inhaling here, and really exhaling into that pyramid pose. Bringing the left leg then back to meet the right, you're in a plank pose. And here we'll take 5 yogi push-ups. Inhale, plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank, that's 2. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank, 3. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank, 4. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank, 5. Exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, bending your knees, gazing at your hands. And exhale, you're going to float your feet to the outside of your hands, coming into Balasana or squat pose. Hands to the heart center. Inhale, bringing the right arm down. Exhale, left arm up, twisting and opening. Hands back to the heart center. Left arm comes down on inhale. Exhale, right arm up. Hands come back to the heart center. Inhaling here, exhale, option to take your crow pose. If you're in crow, hold for 5 breaths. Inhale and exhale for 1. Inhale and exhale for 2. Inhale and exhale for 3. Inhale and exhale for 4. And the last breath. Maybe shooting those legs back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Oh, that was a tough one. Inhale the right leg up and exhale the right foot between your hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to the heart center, coming into your warrior 3. Inhale, exhale, palms down, standing split. Inhale, left hand to left hip, and exhale, twisting and opening to the left. Left palm comes down, right hand to the right hip, and opening up to the right. Right palm comes down, inhaling here. Exhale, hands come back to the heart center. Slowly bring your left leg over your right for eagle wrap, and bring your left arm underneath your right arm, full eagle. Inhaling here, exhale, folding forward, and taking your left leg back, slowly coming back to your high lunge with eagle arms. Inhaling here, and exhale, the arms come up overhead. Inhale, exhale, open to warrior 2. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, cartwheeling the hands down. The right leg comes back to meet the left. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. And exhale, hands to the heart center, coming into your warrior 3. Inhaling here. Exhale, palms come down to standing split. Inhale, right hand to the right hip. Exhale, twisting and opening to the right. Inhaling here. Exhale, the right palm comes down. Inhale, left hand to left hip. Exhale, twisting and opening to the right. To the left. Inhaling here. And exhale, the left palm comes down. Inhale, you're going to bring your hands to your heart center. Exhale, the right leg comes over the left. The right arm comes underneath the left. Inhaling an eagle wrap. Exhale, folding forward. The right leg comes back behind you for warrior three with eagle arms. Slowly coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, arms up overhead. Inhale, exhale, open to a warrior two. Inhales, reverse the warrior. And exhale, cartwheeling the hands down, coming back to plank. We're going to take 3 yogi push-ups here. Inhale, exhale, inhale 1. Exhale, inhale 2. Exhale, and inhale 3. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose and sighing out through your mouth. On an inhale, bending your knees and gazing at your fingers and slowly hopping your feet to the outside of your hands, hands to the heart center. Inhaling here. Exhale, you're going to take your palms, bring your fingertips directly behind your heels, sitting back on your triceps to slowly come up into a firefly. And then slowly coming down, hands come back to the heart center. Inhaling here, and exhale, folding forward, heel toeing your feet back together. Coming into your forward fold. Take opposite elbows and ragdoll, gently swaying back and forth. And releasing those hands. Inhale as the arms come all the way up overhead. And exhale, bringing hands to heart center. Inhale, the arms up overhead. And exhale, forward fold. I know. Inhale, look up. And exhale, maybe trying to float into your chaturanga, taking some flight. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, dropping down to your forearms. Inhaling in dolphin. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And slowly putting both palms into the mat at the same time. Coming back into your downward facing dog. Inhale forward into a plank. And exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale the right foot between the hands, paralleling your feet to the side wall. Inhale as you look up. And exhale, coming into your wide-legged forward fold. Option here to come into any inversion of your choice. I'm going to come into traditional tripod. And inhaling. I'm closing my eyes using this inversion as somewhat of a meditative grounding practice. Slowly coming out of it. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, moving forward. Inhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Exhale, bend the left knee as the right toes come up. Deep inner groin stretch. Inhale here. Exhale, switching over to the other side. You can always put your hands down. Inhaling. Exhale, taking it back to the other side. Inhale. And exhale, taking it back. And then inhale, slowly coming up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bringing your hands to your hips. Exhale, slowly coming up. The right toes turn out, coming into a warrior two, facing the front of the mat. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, cartwheeling the hand to the inside the right foot. The left heel will stay lifted. You're coming into your lizard pose. So either staying on your palms Or coming down to your forearms for lizard. Inhaling. And exhaling. Releasing that left knee down, unfurling the toes. Inhale the right arm up and over as you bend that left leg, taking hold of the left foot. And gazing over that right shoulder. Slowly releasing the left leg. Maybe to come out of this, coming into Ekapada Kunjinyasana. So tucking the left toes under, bending your elbows, and coming into your arm balance. Option to come out of it. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale that left leg up. Exhale, left foot between your hands, paralleling your feet to the sidewall. Inhale as you gaze up. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, walking your hands over to the right leg. Exhale, folding over the right knee. Inhale, walking your hands over to the left side. Exhale, folding over the left knee. And then bringing your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Inhale, looking up. And exhale, again, option to come into an inversion. So I'm going to come into traditional headstand this time. Engaging my core. Slowly coming up.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Inhale here. And exhale. Maybe bringing that right leg down. Bringing the right leg up. Inhale here. Exhale, maybe putting it in the left leg. And exhale, left leg up. Inhale again. This is a really good hamstring stretch. So just coming in and out of it, really trying to release the muscles. And again, really using this as a grounding pose. And slowly with control, coming back down. Inhale, look up. And exhale, folding forward. Inhale, your hands to your waist. Exhale, coming up. Left toes turn out, warrior two, facing the front of the mat. Inhale, reversing the warrior. Exhale, cartwheeling the hands to the inside of the left foot. Again, coming into lizard pose. Maybe coming down to your forearms. Inhaling here. And exhale, releasing the right leg or right knee. Inhale, left arm comes up and over as you bend your right leg and take hold of the right foot with your left hand, gazing over the left shoulder. And slowly coming out of it, coming back to your palms, option to take your arm balance, bending those elbows, balancing on your tricep. And come into your chin stand. And then come back into your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. She's nuts. Exhale, downward facing dog. What is wrong with you? You're supposed to be all zen with your dogginess. Good. Inhale, your down dog. And exhale. Inhale forward into a plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And then inhale that left arm up. And exhale the right leg up. So coming into balance. Maybe taking that left arm behind, grabbing hold of the right foot. Feeling a nice stretch here. And slowly releasing the bind and the balance. Inhale the right arm up and exhale the left leg up. Maybe taking the right arm around, grabbing hold of the left foot and coming into the balance. And then slowly releasing again. Inhale here, exhale, coming back to your forearms. This time the option of coming into a forearm balance. So it's just an option. I'm gonna go down because she's gonna come over. Coming back into your child pose. And inhale, walking your hands over the right side. Exhale, feeling a deep stretch in the left side of your body. Inhale, walking your hands to the left side. Deep stretch in the right part of your body. And then bringing your hands directly forward again. Slowly crawling through into your little cobra or baby cobra. Inhale and exhale back to your downward facing dog. Inhale, bending your knees, gazing between your hands. Exhale, floating your feet through, coming into your Navasana pose, your boat pose. Inhale, Navasana, and exhale, Ardha Navasana. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, and exhale down. And inhale up, maybe grabbing the big toes and balancing on your sit bones. Inhaling here. And exhale, you'll hug your knees into your chest and rocking forward and back. Getting a nice spinal massage. And rocking all the way up into your forward fold. Inhale halfway up. And exhale forward fold. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, bringing them over to the right side for crescent moon. Inhale back up. Exhale over to the left. Inhale back up. Exhale, taking a nice back bend here before you slowly forward fold. Inhale as you look up and exhale, coming back to your chaturanga. Inhale up dog and exhale downward facing dog. And inhale, bring the right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between your hands, high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hugging the left knee into the chest. Left piece fingers around the left big toe. Can either stay here or extend the leg out to the side. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Maybe the left foot comes forward. Inhaling here. Exhale, letting go of the left foot. Arms up overhead. Inhaling here. Exhale, bending the left knee again. Coming back to your warrior three. Inhale here. And exhale again, hugging the left knee into the chest. The left heel comes into the right hip crease. Inhale, hands to heart center. Exhale, slowly bending forward, deep stretch. Inhale. And exhale. Option here to come into your flying pigeon, to bend your elbows again. Bring that right leg up. And bring the crown of your head down to the mat. Slowly coming up. Again, closing your eyes. We're just taking the stretch. To come down, just slowly bend those knees. Engage in the core as you slowly bring your head up.
Yeah.
Your right leg comes down. And inhale your hands to your heart center. Exhale, slowly coming up. The left knee comes into the chest. Left leg comes back, coming back to your high lunge. Inhale here. Exhale, palms come down. Coming back to your plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhale here. Exhale, you'll hug your right knee into your chest. Right peace fingers around the right big toe. Maybe extending the leg out to the side. Maybe bringing the right foot forward. Inhaling here. Exhale, releasing the right foot. Arms up overhead. Inhale. Exhale, hugging the right knee into the chest. I forget what I did. Maybe back to a warrior three. Inhaling here. And exhale again, bring the right knee into the chest, right heel into the left hip crease. Inhale as the arms come up overhead, and exhale, folding forward. Inhale, looking up, and exhale, forward fold. Again, option here to come into your flying pigeon, taking that left leg straight back. Option to tuck your head down to the mat and come into your tripod in your pigeon pose. And then coming out of it, bring your legs back down, engage your core. You slowly come up, and your left leg comes down. And inhales, your hands come to your heart center. Exhale, slowly coming up, right knee into the chest, and then coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, palms come down, and you'll come back to your plank pose. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down to the mat. Interlacing your hands at the base of your spine. Inhaling here. And exhale, coming up into a locust pose. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, slowly releasing. And bring your knees, swaying them back from side to side. And maybe grabbing your feet this time. Inhale here. Exhale, coming up into your bow pose. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, slowly releasing. Bringing your hips back side to side. And then pressing your hands into the mat, slowly coming back into your wide-legged child's pose. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And then slowly making your way into a seated position. We're going to come into fire log, so left shin down, right shin on top of the left shin. Inhales, you look up, and exhale, folding forward. Slowly coming back up, taking your right leg, right knee over, and taking a gentle twist as your left hand, arm, or elbow comes to the outside of the right knee, looking over your right shoulder. And slowly countering the twist. And then taking it to the other side, right shin down first, left over the right. Inhale to gaze up, and exhale, folding forward. Slowly coming up, bringing that right knee over the left. Inhale, the right arm up. Exhale, twisting over to the right or left. And then slowly countering a twist. And then coming into Garandasana, or cow's face pose. So your left knee is on top of your right. Inhale, look up. And exhale again, folding forward. And slowly coming up, you're going to switch sides. Right knee on top of left. Inhale as you look up, and exhale, folding forward. You can just rinse off after. Slowly coming up. And you're going to bring your legs out to wide. So come into a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, look up, and exhale, forward fold.
Yeah.
Mhm. Slowly coming up, bringing your right foot into the inside your left. Left piece fingers around the left big toe. Inhale, right arm up, and exhale. Slowly taking a nice side
What are you
stretch.
doing?
Inhale, arms up.
What are you doing?
You want to do it? Exhale, folding forward.
Are you doing it on the computer?
Mommy's taping it. Taking your right hand to the outside of your left foot and bringing your left leg over, getting a real deep stretch in that left side of the body. And then bending the left knee, your right leg comes out, right piece fingers around the right big toe. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale, shifting over. Inhale, arms up overhead, exhale, fold forward. And taking your left hand to the outside of that right foot and slowly straightening that leg out to the side. Inhaling here and exhaling. And then slowly bring your feet into kind of a butterfly position or Supta Baddha Konasana. Inhale to gaze up and exhale, folding forward. And then slowly coming up, coming to lie down on your back. And just rocking your knees from side to side. Windshield wiping your legs. Coming into reverse pigeon, right ankle on top of left thigh. And bringing your hands through, grabbing hold of the left shin. Slowly releasing, taking a gentle spinal twist over to the left, gazing over the right. And then toes shifting back, taking the left ankle over the right thigh. Arms come through, grabbing hold of the right shin, bringing the shin into the chest. Maybe keeping your eyes closed. And slowly coming out of it, taking the left leg over and twisting over to the right. Gaze over the left.
That's crazy.
And then slowly taking a nice squeeze, hugging your knees into your chest, rocking from side to side, releasing your lower back, and then extending your legs all the way out in front, palms facing up by your side.
What?
And come into your final resting pose.
All my friends have it.
Staying here as long as you would like. I hope that was as restorative and refreshing as it was for me. And that'll be the end of that.